Hey guys, so if you watched the previous episode, then you know this episode will be the next episode after the previous episode. Okay, so this video vlog is, I'm gonna name this NPV. What does it stand for? No point video or no point vlog. So the reason why I do this is just that I didn't really plan out this video well. And then because I shot everything and then I don't want to let the footage go to waste, so I'm just gonna compile everything and put it into a video, and hopefully it all makes sense. I don't know, if I spend a little bit more time on this video, it will definitely look better, and maybe come up with like a storyline to like make the video make more sense, if you know what I mean. But do you know that feeling when sometimes you just feel like I don't really want to put a lot of work in this, and I'm just gonna upload it, that's gonna feel. So yeah, this is one of those days, one of those videos. For me, if I put too much time on this, it actually slows me down in creating something more. I'm probably gonna do like a daily video challenge like in the next few days, but in the meantime, I'm kind of struggling when it comes to editing this video, and I don't want to make that a burden. It kind of slows me down. Like I said, in my video making process, I didn't actually have time to film anything. I didn't actually have time to write down scripts and stuff. It slows down my creative process. So yeah, if this is not the type of videos that you would like to watch, let me know down in the comments below, or you can just wait for the next upload, or maybe hit that subscribe button, please. almost to 200. Come on! Or is it already at 200 already? So yay! If it's 200, if it's not in 200, then what are you doing? Come on, just click the subscribe button. It's not hard. Okay, so yeah, I just want to address it because like kind of stuck in my head sometimes. I keep feeling that my video is not enough. There's no point in making all of these videos. So it's just one of those videos. Yeah, I promise I'm gonna do more interesting and more valuable content. But in the meantime, I'm gonna let you know in the title if this video is an NPV. It's just an easy way for those people who doesn't want to watch NPV videos to like just click the home button and then you just watch something else. So yeah, expect a normal, not that heavily color graded video, and like casual B-rolls and casual vlogs of me in Malacca. Hope you enjoy it. So roll video. Now, I'm not sure where I am. I just woke up. Oh, didn't get enough sleep last night. I only slept for like 6 hours because I went out with Daniel. So I just stopped by a gas station, getting some gas, getting some drinks, and Mom is in the toilet. So yeah, I'll see you guys in Malacca. Now in Jonker Street. Jonker, right? Jonker Street. Jonker. Sounds German. Jonker. Right. Nice. Of course. Can I share?
那边，黑黑的。哦，走在那边。这个。
妈呀！
你知道吗？
妈呀！
它的牌，你可以去拍一下。这个牌它哪里？青云亭。就是咯，青云亭。
是吗呀？
这个庙啦。
哦。Now in Jalan KLJ. The wave ride. I know there's like a lot of places we're going to. Okay.
才进步到走到阴影路的尽头，走过小酒馆的门口。
你别点一首歌去唱一下。
我唱别人好了。
去点啊，点一首歌来唱一下啦。What is this? What? We are in the upstairs. By the
用他的英文啊。
No national bread? Yeah, fresh. Young coconut? Yeah, magic coconut. Set chop. Set chop. Yeah, for you. Special for you. Yeah. Hello, sir. Where you?
We used to sing a song about this kind of like vehicle in like kindergarten. Cowboy Cafe, man. Never in my life I've been to any one of the Cowboy Cafes. Mẹ, mẹ讲么？还讲么？
一直讲些事
哦。It's just so insane, man. Today's a Monday. There's like a lot of people around. On a Monday, man. Damn. Got my camera wet, and this is not the best position for me to hold the camera. Not sure if it's weather seal or not. Hopefully it survives throughout the day. How's the trip, mommy, so far?
Good.
Yeah.
So long, my darling baby, enjoy. I'm fine.
You
You happy? You happy? You enjoy, I enjoy. Okay, you enjoy, I enjoy.
I just realized that it's really hard to shoot like a travel video thingy here. I didn't actually have a script because I've never been here before, and I don't really have time to plan out like what I want to shoot. And then because of my graduation and stuff, and then the Christmas short film video, so everything is like just crumble around. It's kind of hard to know what to shoot. So yeah, it's just more like a point of shooting for me right now. I want to talk about a little bit about like how to actually shoot like a travel film when you're with your family. You can't really shoot those kind of like travel videos because this is like a more family trip. So I think it's best for you to shoot whatever you can. Because it's a family trip, you should enjoy it, right? So think about what you can shoot with your family instead of like a typical short trip kind of video. So I'll come back to you later with another one. Now I'm gonna enjoy my chendol. This is like some OG stuff, man.
Nah.
This one also OG stuff, man. Wow. Tried flying my drone just now. It doesn't fucking work, man. It drifted off like somewhere that side, like around that side. Fuck, man. Like at one point I thought I almost crashed my drone. I almost lost it. And then there's like a few security guards that walked past me just now. I thought they're gonna confiscate my drone. I wish I can get like drone shots, man, because like this field, this is like an open field, so it's actually okay for like, say, very decent for a drone flying. Yeah, so really scary. I don't know about how am I gonna get like drone shots from now on. Probably find a very big like field where there's no interference any whatsoever. As you can see, like there's like something like an antenna thingy over there, and there's like a mall which like they actually can interfere with your signal. Really dangerous. Oh my god, man. Or is it something wrong with my Wi-Fi connection with the drone? I don't know, man. Kind of disappointed in some ways. This is like how I felt last time I fly my drone in West Malaysia. There's one time in KL. It's in I actually made a vlog about it, but I didn't actually talk about like my drone experience. But yeah, it really sucks. I don't know why. Probably, I don't know whether there's something wrong with my drone or like I have to upgrade my drone for like better connection or something. Well, kind of disappointed. Can only take drone shots, but well, I can really work on my ground shots. At least it's something for me to train on. I actually want to make the second thing like to take established shots of like where you were, and like if let's say I'm in Malacca right now, I can take like the scenery of Malacca and stuff. But I did take some. Hopefully I can use them. Hopefully I can squeeze them in the video. But it's just so scary when it go out of control. This is the first time for me to see that my drone goes out of control. So yeah, it really sucks. And I will show you like the raw video of how it looks like when I'm flying. It is scary. Yeah, I don't think I will be flying my drone here anymore. Probably if I have a chance to look for like I said, in a big field or like just not in the seats, like just not in the center, the city. Okay.